Every student tells themselves the same thing at the start of a new session. This year, I'll do better. And every year, most fail. Not because they lack intelligence, but because they rely on the wrong things: motivation, luck, last-minute effort. If last year was a failure, good. At least now, you're aware of the gap between where you are and where you need to be. Awareness is the first step, but awareness alone means nothing without execution. Part 1. Destroy old patterns. The reason you failed before is simple. You brought old habits into new situations, the same distractions, the same laziness, the same delusions. If you want to rise, destroy those patterns first. Delete the apps, cut the noise, change your environment. Change the way you think. Then, act accordingly. Part 2. The 1 hour rule. You don't need to study all day. You need 1 hour of pure, undisturbed focus. No music, no notifications, just you and the problem in front of you. Do this daily, relentlessly. The results will accumulate like compound interest. Quietly, then suddenly. Part 3. Study to remember, not to feel productive. Reading a page doesn't mean you've learned it. True study begins when you test yourself. Close the book, recall, write, solve, struggle. If it's easy, you're not learning. Don't chase the feeling of productivity, chase proof of mastery. Part 4. Reflection equals progress. Once a week, ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What wasted your time? What will you do differently? No one's coming to guide you. Your honesty is your only feedback. Part 5. Walk alone if you must. If your environment doesn't support your goals, detach. Friends won't sit your exams. Likes and followers won't write your answers. You don't need validation. You need results. Solitude sharpens the mind. When you walk alone, you hear your thoughts clearly, and that's when the transformation begins. Part 6. The quiet comeback. You don't need to announce your comeback. Don't post your timetable. Don't show your notes. Let your silence feel threatening. Let your work speak loud enough when it's time. Be the student no one sees coming, the one who sat at the back, unnoticed, until the results appears. You failed before. So what? Now you know what not to do. That makes you dangerous. Your comeback won't be explosive. It'll be cold, strategic, ruthless. And when it happens, they'll realize you were never average. You were just calculating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment the topics you need the most, and also check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.